There are reasons that your pump will lose suction, which will inevitably affect your output of breast milk. Don't worry, there is no problem with your pump. Breast pumps do require a certain amount of maintenance to remain at their peak performance. Don't worry, we'll help you to easily restore your breast pump back to its original condition quickly in 3 easy steps. Step 1. Check the batteries. If you use Trumom Elite, the pump might start to lose suction if the battery is too low. Please try replacing batteries if this happens. If you use a Trumom rechargeable pump, please charge the pump regularly to get top performance. Step 2. Replace the valve sealing ring, also known as membrane. There are a few pump parts that you will need to replace periodically to keep your pump performing at its best. The valve sealing ring is the part that you will be replacing the most often. It is the small, round, and flexible part that fits the valve. Be careful not to lose it while washing the product. The reason the small part is so vital to your pump strength is that it is what moves back and forth, creating a seal as the pump works. If this is worn out or misplaced, then the seal will not be as strong, and thus the pump suction will lessen over time. We do provide you 5 additional valve sealing rings free of cost, along with your Trumom pump for your use. So now, inspect the valve and the valve sealing ring for damage, including cracks, chips, holes, or tears. Wash them using warm, soapy water. Allow the parts to dry completely before reassembling and turning on your Trumom pump. Step 3. Check for condensation or milk deposits inside tubing. If you notice moisture in your tubing, leave your tubing attached with the pump still running. This will allow any condensation that has formed from the natural results of humidity to dry in the tubing. If milk has accidentally entered the tubing, turn off the pump. Remove it from the power source. Remove and wash the tubing in warm, soapy water and then let it dry. If you still experience problems, please reach out to Trumom customer service at hello@trumom.com, and we will be happy to assist you further. Thank you, Trumom, and happy feeding.